Hi, I'm Sophie from Sophie-World.com, and I am super excited today because I'm going to be unboxing a product that just came in the mail. It's from victoriamoon.uk, and they actually had sent me a product before to review, and that was a diamond painting kit. And you can see that review in the link down below. But this one is called a half drill diamond kit. And why I'm excited about this one is it's smaller and the diamonds are bigger. And so it shouldn't take quite as long and it shouldn't be quite as complicated as the last one that I did. So I'm super, super, super excited to unbox it and see what's inside. So let's take a peek, shall we? Okay, so let's get cracking, shall we? So I'm very excited about this because when I ordered my other one, it just ended, it was so big, and this one I can already tell is so much smaller. So let's open this up. Okay, so what I'm seeing in here is the stylist, and you use this, and this is, see this little piece right here? This is actually wax, and you put the wax on the tip here, and then you use that to pick up all your jewels. This little tray is for you to put all your little jewels into. And then they gave you little tweezers, which they had not given me in the last kit. So already I'm excited because these are some of the things that I actually suggested in my last review, and it looks like they've already included those. Okay, so here's a stylist. This is like their fancy version of a stylist, and what's nice about this is that this has a rubbery end to it, so you can use this to just pick up the jewels and they stick right away. This end you can use for tiny, tiny jewels, and you can use the wax for this end because this end is metal. But this end is a sticky end, so you can use this, it looks like, for the jewels without having to use the wax, which is great. Okay, so that's fantastic. And let's see what we got in here. Okay. Already I'm so much happier than the last time. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. This is exciting. All right, so last time I got this big sheet, right? And the thing is, there was no picture. Like I couldn't tell what I had even ordered. And this has a big giant picture, so I know exactly what it's going to look like when I'm working on it, and that's exciting. It was not like that before. I also like that these are much bigger. The one that I had before that I had ordered was teeny, 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 tiny. And also, this is a much smaller size, and I feel like this is going to be much easier to deal with. So this is really exciting. I'm very, very excited about this. Okay, cool. So let's take a peek here. Oh, these are all the diamonds, and these are actually, wow. What's interesting here is these are actually, now when I did the diamond painting kit before, they were actually like little pieces of plastic. These are actually jewels. These are actually little jewels and little pearls. This is super exciting, you guys. Look at all these little pieces. Okay, I'm really, really excited. Okay, I'm really, really excited because the last time there were like hundreds of these teeny, tiny, tiny, tiny little plastic bits, diamonds, I guess they would call them. But this one, these are actual jewels, and they're different shapes. They're much easier to tell apart. And it looks to me like they've marked what each one is, which is helpful, and it matches here so that you can see. So this says 01, and that says 01. This says 02, and that says 02. And they're just much easier. Now, the one thing I do foresee is that I am going to need little boxes or packages to keep these in once I open them up. But I do have a little keeper that I can put them into, so that'll be okay. All right, well, this is pretty darn exciting. I can't wait to put this together. Okay, so there you go. I have to tell you, I'm really, really excited about this. And it's funny because if you compare this to when I unboxed and checked out the original product that they sent me, I was a little bit kind of worried about it. Well, this one has me super excited. So as soon as I'm done and have put it all together, I will show you the results. And that'll be in another video, of course. For more fun stuff, check us out, sophie-world.com. I'm so excited to get started.